Hello and welcome to the video on the qualitative characteristics of accounting information. There are four main qualitative characteristics of accounting information, and they are relevance, reliability, understandability, and comparability. The qualitative characteristic of relevance is concerned with any information that should be included in the financial reports if it has any influence on the decision making of the users of the reports. For example, with our friend Gren and the ice cream van business, this could be anything such as the limited supply of ice cream, and also increased taxes on sugary foods such as ice cream. The next qualitative characteristic is reliability. This is concerned with that the information should be complete, unbiased, and free from errors. For example, with our friend Gren and the ice cream van business, the reports need to be reliable and show a true and objective view of the business itself. This should give a look at the business without the subjective input of Gren themselves. The next qualitative characteristic is understandability. This is where users of the financial reports should be able to understand the accounting information with little or no difficulty. In the example with Gren and the ice cream van business, additional notes to the financial reports should be added to help users of the reports understand any complex activities or transactions that Gren's ice cream van business is involved in. The final qualitative characteristic is comparability. Users of the financial reports should be able to compare the accounting information, and this should be with either previous reports of the same business or against the competitors. For the example with our friend Gren and the ice cream van business, being able to compare will help the users of the accounting information analyse areas of the business, such as comparing the performance of the business from Gren's business to another ice cream van business, looking at the performance of the business from one year to another, or looking at the trend of sales of different ice cream flavours. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in another video.